Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time on iPhone. So for this purpose, you need to open settings app on your mobile phone. Then here, make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to your mobile device or your mobile data is turned on. And also check that your VPN is disconnected. Then the next step is that click on general option, then you need to scroll down. At the bottom, you have the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Then on this page at the bottom, you have this option raise all content and setting. Click on it. From here, your all data can be easily removed by clicking on this continue button at the bottom. If you want to save your data, then didn't click on this continue button. Then what you need to do, go to google.com on your mobile device. Then go to search bar and you simply need to search for appleid.apple.com. Then this page will appear on your screen. Here on the second number, you have this option Apple account official Apple store. Click on it. Then here you have this reset your password option. But if your Apple account isn't created, then here you can see the option of create account or sign up. And by clicking on create an Apple ID option, it helps you to create an Apple ID on your iPhone. So this way you can easily fix this problem of not creating an account. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.